Thank you very much, Judy. It is a pleasure to be here. I come from the southeastern part of Connecticut and had the opportunity for many, many years to work with and stand with the Planned Parenthood organization in southeastern Connecticut. An organization like this one in Meriden that is dedicated to its opportunity and ability to deliver health care services to women. We heard to men. I will, as a woman myself, primarily speak to the women's health issues, only because that is a section of all of our communities that it is so important that we continue to provide opportunities and access to health care. As Deb Heinrich said, as Senate President Williams and Speaker Donovan has said to us over and over again, Planned Parenthood doesn't just deliver birth control to women. They deliver health services. They are the health services for a vital portion of all of our communities. And to attack that in this manner is essentially to suggest that we remove access to health services for women. Quite honestly, that's unconscionable. And I am very, very proud and pleased to be able to stand here with what is essentially our political leadership here in the state to support that, our commitment to maintaining and strengthening these services in such an important way. Thank you very much.